But I haven't driven the, you know, Halo Corvette. Right, so, wow, look at this. This is Street Speed 717s. Woo. Yeah, this is modified. And we have Canon G7X coming here right now. Holy cow, look at this. Go. This message finds you all longer spirits. What a treat today. We have, that's right, a 2020 G500 with a Chevy Corvette Zr1. There it is. Let's take a look at both cars. That's right, this is the last generation of the C7 Corvette. This particular one is owned by Street Speed 717. Beautiful wrap on it, all the carbon fiber bits. This is the giveaway G500. Take a look at some differences here. Headlights, each car's respective hoods of the Zr1. Love the way this lifts up here. Whew. Push in and lift up. Well, there's a little latch here too. Lift up. And there she blows. 760 horsepower, 755 horsepower. Stock. This is a modified cam, tune, pulley, tire. So let's hear how this sounds. So a nice cam smell to it. So let's hear how this sounds. Very nice. All right. Let's take a look now and see how oh, these brakes are great. Love the wheels too. Let's see how the G500 sounds. I'm gonna go to track. Let's hear how this sounds. Motors are both warm, so we're good. This has a cam and exhaust. This is completely stock, but it does have an exotic sound. Beautiful seeing these cars together. Both amazing American machines, and excited to drive them both and give you my impressions. 500. That was some good footage. No, it was good footage. All right. And I've never driven a Zr1, so I'm like inviting myself.
You're more than welcome, buddy. You're more than welcome.
I love the color. Are you copying the C8? Obviously, the new color.
C8 Rapid Blue. We came pretty close.
Okay.
So it's a little bit, and the back is completely yellow. Don't mind that. It's just you can't even clean it. Just
okay.
Exhaust ruins it. But yeah, I mean it's pretty close to Rapid Blue, pretty light blue, and I love it. I was a little bit nervous at first just because like it is a really light blue, and I didn't, you know, baby blue car.
Yeah.
But it turned out great. Everyone loves it. It's been really fun.
All right, so wow, look at this. This is Street Speed 717s. Yeah, this is modified. Oh yeah. And we have Canon G7X coming here right now. Holy cow, look at this. This is the man, the famous, the most famous G7X owner in the country right now. Racing channel, street speed. If you want to see the best races, Canon G7X looks good. You're all over the place. You're in Florida, you're like everywhere, bro.
Been a while. Are you guys coming back here?
We're doing a quick review. You want to come? Just follow us.
I just drove 3 hours.
Okay. All right, we'll be back. All right, so this is my first time in a ZR1, and not just any ZR1. We are in Street Speed 717 ZR1, and it's modified. I don't know all the mods. He hasn't told me exactly everything, but you know, I love the carbon fiber in the blue, the clear roof. It's a lot more of a cockpit feel, but yeah, this is my first time in a ZR1. People might think that they see me at Street Speed. I got a pretty good tan and put in a couple pounds, so we'll see. This is his neck of the woods. Now, we all know that the C8's coming out. We all know the C8's coming out, but these ZR1s are amazing machines. You know, they're the last of the rear-wheel drive Corvettes. So I can see why these will be very coveted for a lot of people. One of the knocks on this car, from what I've read in driving it, is the actual transmission. That the 8-speed transmission is a little bit clunky, not as smooth. You know, a lot of people say, why didn't it get the 10-speed like the Corvette Z01 got, or of course the Mustang GT has its 10-speed. It was just too big to fit. Whoa! Oh, this thing is a beast. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. It definitely wakes up. But you are definitely locked in. You want to this car feels like it, you want to really plant it down here. So let's go to work. I'm literally following the 500 right now. I will say right now, I like the brakes better in the GT500. But as far as the initial hit, the Z01's pretty stout. Wow, this is a confident car. I think this is a good car just to have in stick shift form, personally. Yo, it's fast. Dude, this is badass, bro. The most iconic GT500, that's right. The most tuned and race-proven GT500 on the internet. If you haven't seen him by now, check him out. Canon G7X has raced everybody. Probably he's even raced, probably raced you, didn't even know about it yet. But check out his Instagram.
Because as long as you guys know me, my cars have always been broken. So I got this, so we're gonna hope it doesn't break, but we're gonna do what we do.
I like it. So all your social media, what is it?
The first guy, well, I go by Iconic Gt500 on Instagram and YouTube.
Roger.
Keep it simple. It's the icon, right? Made a statement, it's there. Bob Ruth Ford, you know, because you followed it. Phenomenal dealership.
Yeah.
MSRP. Right, which is why I wanted you to come out and pick it up. It was raining that day. But the whole process, right? The whole year that we've had it, he was on top of the game. Anything that came out, he let me know that minute. If I had any questions, he found out from the rep. He kept his word. He's like, hey, Steve, I think I can get you one of the early ones. He would have, right? It's VIN number 145, which is...
Wow.
So that's Bob Ruth Ford. Then we got AMG Matt. You met Matt. You saw the work on this one.
Yep.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
People are saying that they want you to have the same thing, but an H pipe so we can hear the difference.
Okay, cool.
That.
I basically know everybody you're saying. So.
I know.
That's fine. These are all Mustang, like, yeah, this is all Mustang stuff.
If we go back to Chevy stuff, it's a whole other world. Palm Beach Dyno.
Yeah.
Shoemaker, the tune maker.
Shoemaker.
Yeah, this guy, hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
He's the most famous tuner in the
faces
Mustang
on the
game.
car.
Yeah.
He needs to be the most famous because not only is he a fun guy to be around, he's so freaking smart.
Yeah.
And anything he doesn't know, Ken is right there. I don't even know how to say his last name. Ken Bones.
Borns. I can't say it either. I'm sorry. Sorry, Ken, if you see this.
Put it this way, Mike. There's a bunch of well-known Mustang tuners right where we are.
Okay.
I did not have to go 15 hours down to Tampa. I chose to, and I couldn't be more thankful for going down there.
Yeah.
But hey,
Right.
I get it. People, I send mine to Texas.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Happy.
From
Mike had to one up you. He was like, yeah.
Well, you were
He's like, oh, wow, Florida? How about Texas, bro?
Right, Ken walked me through the whole thing, and
Yeah.
you can see in the video, like the pulley they did, absolutely technical specs. He's absolutely a technical guy, and he walked me through. Even the tuning when we were on there, I was like, all right, show me what you're doing in HP tunings, and he just guided me through it all. I was like, oh, that's awesome. And I was like, all right, well, you know, other people are making these numbers. He's like, I'm not chasing numbers. It's gonna make what it's gonna make. It's gonna be safe, and it's gonna be fast, and it is.
Oh, yeah.
I'm super happy.
I like that.
So Palm Beach Dyno, and Lethal Performance. They've
Yep.
got pulleys. They have a cat delete if you want them. I'm probably going to drop a pulley size here and throw an intercooler reservoir on, and then I'm done.
Is that Jared?
That's what you say now.
Yeah. For now.
You're right, because I already forgot I'm doing the ported
More. I was about to say ported blower. We didn't talk about fuel system.
Got our 888s on it
Yeah.
already.
Yeah.
They're for street use. They're phenomenal
Oh,
because
perfect. Love
yeah.
it.
Remember you got them, people were like, what are you doing? I was like, what?
People in the American car community don't yet know how good our 888s
Oh,
are.
yeah,
We're
okay.
slowly
Yeah.
educating.
They're
They're
probably,
like, it's not a Mickey.
yeah.
People ask for my 315 R888. I'm like, because it's great.
That's
time.
where
Yeah,
you are,
yeah.
Right? Yeah, they're 90% good for drag racing. They're 100% good for roll racing. Plus, you still have the confidence if you want to rip it around turns.
Exactly.
And that's how. This is how I daily drive it.
Exactly. All right. 800 wheel horsepower, Gt500, 800, I believe, wheel horsepower, Zr1, correct me. All right. Let's go see what these beasts do. Check out Canon G7X for this build to see it continue. Stay tuned to our channel. You get a chance to win a stock one. Gt500getaway.com. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe because you guys know it never ends. Peace.